Hello. Welcome back to Master English. Today, we're going to cover the next sound from our International Phonetic Alphabet book. Part 2, IPA, Dual Tone Sounds. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and repeat after me. Haʊs, maʊs, ʻbaʊt, laʊd, daʊt, klaʊd, daʊn, faʊnd, ɡraʊnd, əʻbaʊt. Now, let's do some sentences. The first word is house. Number 1. We live in a big house with a nice garden. Number 2. The house is painted white and has a red door. Number 3. There's a fireplace in the house where we gather. The next word is out. Number 1. Let's go out for a walk in the park. Number 2. The cat quickly ran out of the room. Number 3. He stepped out onto the balcony to talk. The next word is down. Number 1. Please sit down on the sofa while I get tea. Number 2. The sun is going down, making the sky orange. Number 3. She looked down at her shoes and sighed. The next word is about. Number 1. Tell me about your day at work. Number 2. I'm curious about that book you're reading. Number 3. She was talking about the party last night. The next word is found. Number 1. I found my keys under the bed. Number 2. He found a new job with better pay. Number 3. We found the perfect gift at the store. Great work! Let's review our vocabulary one more time. House, maʊs, out, laʊd, daʊt, klaʊd, daʊn, faʊnd, ɡraʊnd, əʻbaʊt. Excellent! You're doing great! You are on your way to being a native speaker. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave a comment. Also, check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. The links can be found in the description, along with the lesson notes for this video. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time.